So hello friends, welcome to my new video. So today in this video I'm going to discuss with you all about a very important topic that we all should know about, that is Jackson cross cylinder testing. Okay, so this is Jackson cross cylinder. So as you can see here is two lines are written. So this Jackson cross cylinder actually consists of two cylinder power of equal strength but of opposite sign placed at 90 degree to each other, and it is also consist of an handle which is at 45 degree with the cylindrical power. Okay, so we use this Jackson cross cylinder to refine the astigmatic axis and astigmatic power. Okay, so always remember that you will perform Jackson cross cylinder after doing the spare refinement. Okay, now then you will do the axis or power refinement with the help of Jackson cross cylinder. So it is a subjective testing to identify that whether the axis that you got in your subjective refraction like trial error or something like that is correct or not. Okay, for that purpose we use Jackson cross cylinder. Okay, so let's see how this Jackson cross cylinder is actually done. Now you can see that this here it is written 0.25. That means this Jackson cross cylinder having power of 0.25. There is other Jackson cross cylindrical powers are there like 0.50 diopter cylinder, 0.75 or 1. So these all types are used based on the patient visual acuity. So if the patient visual acuity is better than 6/9, then you will use this 0.25 diopter Jackson cross cylinder. If the patient visual acuity is in between 612 to 618, you will use this power 0.50. If the patient visual acuity is in between 624 to 636, then you will use this 0.75 diopter Jackson cross cylinder. And if the patient visual acuity is less than 660, then you will use this 1 diopter. So mostly used Jackson cross cylinder are 0.25 and 0.50. Okay, so now you are going to do the refinement of axis. So the written here is the refractive power of the patient. Okay, so just put the refractive power and then start refining the axis with Jackson cross cylinder. Okay, so to perform that we need to place the Jackson cross cylinder handle along with the cylindrical axis. Okay, so here I am placing the Jackson cross cylinder handle along with the cylindrical axis. Now you need to flip the Jackson cross cylinder, okay, and ask the patient that which image is appearing clear, position 1 or position 2. So as here minus cylinder is put, so if the patient say that position 1 is clear, then you can see in position 1 red line is upward. So you will rotate the cylindrical axis little upward, that is 10 degree, and then again align the cylindrical axis with handle and then flip the axis. Okay, flip the JCC and ask the patient which position is clear. Now if the patient say that position 2 is clear, as you put the minus cylinder, you will rotate the cylinder towards the red. Okay, if the cylinder is plus, then you will rotate the cylinder at along the green, but here as the patient is having minus cylinder, you will rotate along the red. Okay, so at this position the patient see clear. So after doing the axis refinement, we will do power refinement. Okay, so for that purpose you need to align the JCC axis with the cylindrical axis and then flip the axis like this. Okay, and ask the patient at position 1 image is better or position 2 image is better. If the patient say position 1 image is better, then this position 1 you can see this red liner there, that means you need to add minus, because the power was minus 1. Okay, so it will be minus 0.25 or minus 0.5. Okay, and then if the patient say that at position 2 image is better, then it is plus, so you need to deduct 0.5 from here from the cylinder and then prescribe the patient that glass. Okay, so this is how you will do refinement of power. So always remember that by JCC a correct power will be there when there will be correct axis refinement. Okay, so if the axis refinement is wrong, then you will not get correct power refinement. Okay, so always refine the axis first and then go for power refinement. Okay, so that's what friends, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.